Itaka ryahebwayo obukama bwa Toro niryingana acres 50 kandi obukama nubugirango niryiza kuhera government okombeka ekishayi ekitwire nikigambisa abantu embushukano mu kyanga eki.
At long last, we thank God and also we thank the NRM government for considering Toro region. And you know, when you grade regions in terms of soccer, I don't think Toro can't go beyond number 2. Even when we met the FIFA president, Engineer Magogo, he assured us, he said that if we have power, I think Toro would have been the first region to get a stadium.
Omwaka oguhwire omukama wa Toro oyo nyimba akabamba iguru akabugana habembezo kuruga omukyanga kya Toro kandi yaraganisa kwaro kwija kwayo acres 50 zitaka ezirayambe government okombeka ekishayi kwiguga ekikija obwanyuma y'abantu omukyanga ekyo kugambira government ebigumire obwibagumize ngo mukuru w'ihanga akababihe ekishayi ekiyabaraganise emyaka enyuma.
So please take note that if we have no land to offer, we will miss these projects. For how long have we lamented? Na government nerora herukuteka center take a center wolaba umugana na gamba take a center na mbere hari amagoba hata obutwagitera ibanza twagitaka erikoto eriyokutaho exanero ekikoto harulengo rwensi yona exanero kitunga.
Omwishirwa w'obukama Calvin Armstrong amukoro guyagira ngo government teine kurebera hacho kombeka ekishayi konka ngukureke bahereze na Sports Academy. Minister Ogwang yasima obukama abo kuhereza itaka eri.
What was on awaiting by that time was the funding. Now that we have today seen the land, my role is to go back and ask my technical people to begin with the formal processes of government. These formal processes are in line with the National Sports Act, which states before a government puts in money to develop any facility, it has first to have ownership of the land.
Kibigambo byawe ni mbyongeza mu amani ngu ntuwenda Sports Academy mara twekizaniro mwebale bayitumwongereho nuko no mwana wa Kyenjojo owa Bunyangabu owa Kyaka na Kitagwe na Kamwenge na wazana mpira nemizani ndi yona naitu myaka 5 tutungemo abana ba Olympics tutungemo abazihi tutuina bikaro binge byo kuziramu.
Itaka ryahebwayo nahera kushangwa tibyagambwa abo kugira ngo bukama bworekere government emyanya ebiri kandi abakugono beija kubanza bakebere emyanya yombi bamanye itaka ryenyene ribine kutwara abakombeka ekishayi.
Wow, thank you so much.
Gasha kwa Jonano Tusingwire.